Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Rich here on this Monday morning. It is the 25th day of March, and after 10 days with no storm systems, looks like storm system number 1 today has a severe weather threat. It looks like we may see 3 storm systems in the next 11 days and maybe 4 storm systems in the next 15 days. And this is par for the course. 'Tis the season for that. Today's severe weather threat, while the tornado risk is slim to none, the threat of damaging wind gusts and maybe even some large hail is very real. We'll look at the latest from the Storm Prediction Center. They went up a notch on their severe weather risk level during the night while you slept. We'll look at future radar as well and get an idea of how this may unfold. Plus, we'll look ahead to the second storm system next weekend and the threat of maybe a couple of mornings in the 30s. A few days out, we'll take a look at when that could happen as well with the latest model data. Here we go. Early this morning, as I make your video, a severe thunderstorm watch is in effect in northeastern Texas, where there's been some warnings this morning. And there's where the front is, coming into northwest Arkansas now. By 1 o'clock this afternoon, the front enters northwestern Alabama during prime heating hours, which means thunderstorms will be primed for action, especially in that yellow area there, that level 2 slight risk area, where damaging wind gusts and hail are possible. As a matter of fact, that'll be the main risk this afternoon. And I think the peak hours 1 to 8 p.m. There could be up to ping pong size hail in some of the storms, so we'll be watching the radar carefully. And this is future radar. Now, you never take future radar literally, but you can see how storms become more concentrated later in the afternoon and into the early evening hours. So we'll be watching the radar very carefully this afternoon, with showers and thunderstorms becoming likely. High temperatures 77, some of the storms severe. Tonight's low 52, and south winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Our weather app will keep you up to date on any watches or warnings for your location because it knows where you are. I think there's a good chance that we'll see a severe thunderstorm watch and probably some warnings this afternoon, so get it on your phone or tablet. Search Rich Thomas Weather. Tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., the front has made it all the way down to Panama City, so we get into a breezy, cooler day with high temperatures only in the 60s tomorrow, and then a colder Tuesday night ahead with maybe low to mid 40s across much of the area, and even colder, I think, on Wednesday night. So the coolest morning will be Thursday morning, perhaps around 41, 40 in some places. A warmer afternoon, though. I think we're back in the 70s, and I think we're well into the 70s on Friday. Friday looks like a pretty good day. Then a weekend storm system. Saturday, 1 p.m., there could be a few showers during the afternoon Saturday, but a better chance of showers and thunderstorms as we get into Saturday evening, Saturday night, and in through the overnight hours and into Sunday morning. So is that going to be a severe weather situation? It's too early to say, but every storm system this time of the year is suspect. 66 is the high tomorrow, then a very chilly Wednesday morning and an even colder Thursday morning. We're back into the 70s on Thursday and well into the 70s Friday before showers and thunderstorms come in by late Saturday into Saturday night, with Saturday's high right around 70, perhaps even the low 70s. We'll refine that forecast as we get closer. Take a look at this. The European shows a couple of mornings next week. This is out around April 1st and 2nd in the 30s. So Alabama growers will be watching that situation carefully. Then another storm system perhaps around Friday, April 5th. That's day 11, and maybe another one on day 15. The pollen outlook still in the high range today, and then medium to high Monday, and today and tomorrow, medium to high, and then very high again on Wednesday and Thursday. So we'll be very watchful on the weather situation this afternoon. Our weather app will keep you up to date. Ryan Stinnett and I will be talking about this situation on TV this morning on CBS 8 and ABC 32 at 5:50 a.m. And I'll keep you up to date as the day goes on as well. There'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. We're live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. And don't forget, you can get your forecast whenever you're out and about across the dial on the entire Blue Water family of stations twice an hour. I'll see you later. Have a good day. Stay weather aware.